Hi everybody, it's Jen Labre, and we're here today with a new card tutorial for you. This week, the product of the week is Petal palette. So that is the stamp set we're going to be using. It's a gorgeous stamp set. There's so many different expressions in here that you can use it for a variety of cards. And I love the watercolor look of the images. So this is the card we're going to make today. If you watched my previous tutorial, you'll notice that we use the same paper. I just love this paper. It's so gorgeous. Oh, got a little thing on the card there. But anyways, this is the card. We did the inside as well. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab a sheet of Blackberry Bliss. We're going to 8.5 by 11, cut it in half lengthwise, and then we're going to score it at 5.5. If you don't have a scorer, you can just fold it in half, but this makes it so much easier. Take our bone folder and give it a good crease. Okay, put that to the side for right now. I've grabbed a sheet of the Frosted Floral Designer Specialty paper. This is cut at 5.25 by 4. Okay, I just love this paper. Can you see that shimmer on there? Hopefully you can see that. This paper is one of the most gorgeous I've seen. The other side's pretty nice too, but I really like the floral. Okay, we're going to set that aside for right now. Next thing we're going to do is grabbing my sheets here. We're going to do some stamping. Okay, first thing we're going to do is take the big floral stamp, which is this one right here, or the big roses, and we're going to stamp it in Memento Tuxedo Black. We're going to be using the stamping blends today, and by using this ink, it allows it to not smear. So we'll just stamp that there. Okay. Clean it off on my chamois. We're done with that ink. Next up, we're going to take the border, the dots border, which is this one right here, and we're going to take soft seafoam. That up, and just this sheet is 4 inches by 2 inches, a piece of Whisper White, and we're just going to stamp right towards the bottom of that one. Okay, clean that one off. Aren't you impressed? I got my stamps all ready for you in advance. Okay, and then we're going to take some Blackberry Bliss. I just love this color. And we're going to use the Thank You sentiment from the set. You could certainly use any of the sentiments. And we're just going to stamp it in the upper right-hand corner there. These ink pads can be a little bit tricky to get closed. Okay, we'll set that aside for right now. Next, we're going to take our stamping blends. I'm just going to use 2 today. We've got the dark Blackberry Bliss as well as the dark Old Olive. Okay, we're just going to color in these flowers. I'm using the brush end just because it covers area a lot faster than if we were to use the nib end. If you have not tried these stamping blends yet, I urge you to buy a couple and try them out. I've been very happy with mine. As I've mentioned before, I am a Copic hoarder, and I think these are pretty comparable to the Copics. They're very nice. Okay, let's grab our old olive. Just color in the leaves. I really like this color combination. It's very, very pretty. There we go. Okay, we'll set those aside. Next, what we're going to do is use our Sizzix Big Shot to cut this out. And to do that, we're going to use the Petals and More Thinlits dies. I can get these open here. We're also going to be using this little lace, delicate lace die. I've already done this ahead of time. I just gotta find where I put those. I know I have them somewhere around here. Okay, well, we'll find those. But we're going to cut out 2 of these in gray granite. Okay, let's cut this out first. I'm using my magnetic platform today. Just line that up there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Put our top plate on and we'll run it through. I'm just going to run it through a second time for good measure. Sometimes that helps to make sure it's cut out. There we go. There's our little flower. Now I do need to find what I did with the lace details. Well, I guess we'll cut out some more. I cut them out ahead of time because I wanted to punch out all the little doohickeys from the lace part, but I can't seem to find what I did with them. So let's grab this and our lace piece. We got the gray granite. We'll run it through it twice. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Sizzix brush and pad and just run these through. I've only just discovered this Sizzix brush, and let me tell you, it makes a big difference. There we go. Got most of them out. And now we'll cut out one more. There we go. Let's grab that. Run that through again. There we go. We're only going to see a small portion of the lace, so it's not as important that we get out all of the little pieces, as long as we get out most of them. Okay. And we're done with the dies. Put those away. I need to figure out a better way of storing these dies. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment. Okay, now we'll put our card together. First thing we're going to do is take our snail and put some on the back here. Line it up. There we go. We're going to put some snail on the back of here. This allows us to put our lace pieces on there easily. There we go. Okay, and then I want to pop up the flowers with some dimensionals. Three should do it. Okay, just put that right there. And then we need to do the inside of the card. For that, we're going to use this little flower stamp. And our Blackberry Bliss ink again that I just got all over my fingers. Chamois to the rescue. Okay, and we'll just stamp it down in the corner and do a stamp off as well. Okay, clean that off. There we go, and we'll put a little snail on there. The inside. There you go, and there you have your beautiful card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to check out my blog at jenniferlabre.com to see all the products that I used. Don't forget, this set is part of the World Card Making Day sale, so you can get 10% off the Petal Palette set right now. Again, that information is on my blog as well. And if you don't have a demonstrator, I'd be happy to send you a catalog or do anything I can to help you out. Please feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.